Hello viewers, welcome to my channel and your got to place for mastering Python programming, deep learning and latest tech trends. Whether you are a student, a job seeker or someone just curious about coding. So my content is designed to guide you from basic to advanced step by step. And every video is packed up with real world examples, easy to understand explanations, and practical applications to help you level up your skills. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and let's grow together in this amazing world of tech. So, today we will talk about the print function. What does it mean? Python print function. It basically prints the message to the screen or any other standard output device. So we will cover about print function in Python as well as its various operations. So first question is how prints work in Python. In general terms, we can pass variables, string numbers or other data type as one or more parameters when using the print function. Then these parameters are represented as a string by their respective str functions to create a single output string, and transform string are generally summarized with the spacing areas with them. So in our first slide, we will talk about the actually print function, how it works. So these are the basic guidelines. As you can see, print statement in Python. So print function is used to produce text output on the console. We are talking about again basic syntax of print. So syntax print message. Generally, message is a string that we want to display, and expression can be a variable, a math operation, or any code that returns a value. When we use print, Python generally evaluates the expression or simply display the message and then moves to the cursor to the next line. Generally, we can say in our daily routine practicals. So, if we take multiple item syntax, print item 1, item 2, and n item. So, we can print multiple items in one line separated by commas. Python will automatically separate them with spaces in the output. On the another example, print hello world, age 45, and we have 65 age years until retirement. So this is the actual example of print function. On the other hand, we can say hello world and you have 20 years until retirement. Then first line prints the message hello world. In the second line, assign age 45, the print these three items. You have 65 age which is 20 and years until retirement. So Python joins them with spaces by default. So the result is you have 20 years until retirement. I hope you understand all those concepts of print function in Python. In another slide, it shows the actually the functionality of print statement and when using commas between elements and how lines ending behave. So element print statement. Element print statement hello world the prints multiple values with the spaces between them. Output, as you can see, the print function automatically inserts a space between items separated by commas and again print hello. So this is actual Python second syntax, not valid in another terms of Python. So Python 2 ending the statement, print statement within a comma is just surprisingly with the new lines. So the next output appears on the same line. So after that, we are just saying about print hello. Print hello is actually the print hello and is equal to print there. So we are summarizing all those terms of Python. It means the multiple items with a space print hello and again three print hello just like as a hello there. So I hope you are understanding all the concept of print function. In next video, we will discuss about the input and how it works. And then input example. We will take another example of input. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe my channel too. So thanks for watching this video.